is made to carry each side of the vessel. When it's going to be finished from that, it's carried by this truck. You see, it's very plate. Here is the operation system. All is hydraulic. You see, you can adjust each wheel separately. It's made by Lift King. These tires, this wheel is bigger than front and back, okay? Is because it's taking all the weight being in the center. The engine is there, see? The engine is here. The hydraulic controller is here. This is a drive shaft. These wheels from the middle are the only one who have the motor system. It's going by like a gearbox. Actually, it's a gearbox. This is a short one. I will show you the longest one, the longest truck. So this is the biggest one. You see, each small axe is individual. Just take the weight. You see, each four wheels are connected just to one pole that sustain the platform. See here, because this is moving, is rotating, depends how you want to run. This is the first operations station. Pretty long, pretty wide. See? It's pretty big. These have the engine right here in the middle, somehow in the middle, because here are 4 pair of wheels and here are 5. And this carry a big part of the vessel. This is the second operation station. Made the same by Lift King. The exhaust pipe right here. These are the hydraulic pumps that command each changing of the direction of each pair of wheels. All is going here up, one is rotating, and this here is a piston right there, if you see, that lift up or go down. Depends how you want, depends how is the terrain. It's like this. Hope you like it. Big kind of deal, this machine. It's much impressive when you see one doing the job.